Doing the last shot.
So today's been a beautiful day. Just the fact that we started off doing some filming with a YouTuber couple by the name of Kishanell. So big shout out. So today, this morning was actually so good. We made an intro video for them that went for 30 seconds. We had Grayson that joined us to also some lighting. We had Carina also.
It was so cool. And the video turned out really, really good.
So we had to like produce it a little bit. And we're very excited for them because they're making this video because they're about to hit 600,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty goals, pretty amazing. So we did a bit of shooting this morning for a couple of hours with them. And now we are off to Auckland because we're about to start our Northland trip. So without further ado, we're going to go drive now. Got a 3-hour drive to Auckland, so we're going to go right now and we'll see you when we get there. Check these guys out. We're going to Hogwarts. Can you guys guess where we are right now? Probably, you don't know.
Good morning here from Auckland. In this room we stayed the night and now we're going to wrap up and heading to the city, I guess. And soon we will be on our way up north. Here, key drop. Key drop?
Yeah, but I have to pay for the drink thing. Okay, so it's time for breakfast. Carina just got into the salon over at Superior Hair Extension place. And I'm just about to go see an old friend and actually do some work while I wait for Carina. So we're gonna go to a place called Reuben Cafe, aka Rubes. He's such a funny guy, this guy. Makes amazing hot chocolates. And there it is, guys. Reuben Cafe. Reuben's Cafe. Say hello to Reuben! Alright, I'm gonna have breakfast. So, let's see what we can. Breakfast is served. Thank you so much. Before you go, I met Ruben last year. Gotta test it out, so here we go. That was good. Back to the kitchen. Oh, and then she's back. So, tell us what you've done today.
I got my hair done.
What
did you have? That looks good.
Did you get your hair done?
What did you have for breakfast?
I had bacon and egg on toast.
Nice.
Yeah. You guys ever tried dark chocolate roasted bars? Ever from New Zealand? Man, this is so good. We had fun in Auckland, didn't we? Yeah, and now we're once again passing by in Auckland. It's another short stay, but it's been beautiful. Got to catch up with Patrick last night and all that, so it was good. Carina got her hair done, so now we're ready to say goodbye to Auckland. You guys gotta try that chocolate, it's so good. Yeah, if you're ever wondering where to get them, I'll call them in Pack and Save.